Right, hello, I am back.
Hello, boys! I'm back!
From a little break. Not that this channel's big enough for anyone to appreciate my absence, but I'm back anyway. So yeah, let's get into it. I got this. I'm not even gonna say the brand name. It's obviously a Chinese brand, almost non-branded, let's just face it. It's a Wi-Fi smart camera. It's faulty, not powering on. Right, let's take this to the cat and see what he has to say. See if he's got any words of wisdom for me, and yeah, go from there. Right, Sheldon, what's this? Do you think you can fix it? Do you think I can fix it? Okay. Well, not very nice, is it? Hey? There you have it. He's got no faith in me at all to repair this. No treats for him later on. That's his loss. Right, let's prove the cat wrong. Let's prove him wrong. Right, let's get into it. So yeah, just have a look here. Hong Kong, Shenzhen, blah 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 blah. You need an app for this as well, apparently. But before we even play around with an app, let's see if we can turn it on. Right, I believe this is new, or maybe even used, but I think it's been like a seller return job lot sort of thing. Right, I've got a nice long cable for that. Let's get this out of the way, it's rubbish. Away from you. Alright, I've got a micro USB. Let's have a quick glimpse overall. I'm getting a phone call. Sorry about that, really interrupted. Right, let's power it up. I haven't done this for a while. I don't even know where half my stuff is. Where's the little amp meter that I've got for this? Have I got it somewhere? To test for current draw and voltage going into the device, blah blah blah. What have I done with that? Right, I found it, bloody thing. Ah, honestly, it took about a year to find that. Plug this in. Oh, USB's not very good, is it, on this? Very tight. It's in. Alright, so we've got a reset button and a DC 5V micro USB port. This looks slightly damaged, this micro USB. So we've got 5 volts going to it, but no amp draw. And now it's timed out on the actual power bank because it's not seeing any output. No lights. I think this cable's no good for starters. Let's try a different cable. God, port's very crap as well, isn't it? I think it's the port. Gone off again. Yeah. Yeah, the port's very loose. I think that's knackered for starters. I really can't be bothered today to change one of these. They're actually a pain in the arse. For me, with my limited skill set, they are, but for someone else, yeah, easy peasy. Right, let's get this apart. Let's look at this under the microscope and check the battery voltage as well. That's if it is battery operated, unless it is just 5 volts input it needs all the time. Let's see if it's got battery in it as well. Right, how do we get you apart? Are you screws under here? Let's have a look. If I can even, I've got the nails. Oh, bugger. Aha, we have a screw hole. Right, let's get the old screwdriver out. My old set of wearer, which now I use for work and now for home, because I've got another nice set instead. 2. Number 3. Yeah, I'm not sure how old this device is either. There's no manufacture date or anything to give me any hint of how old it is. Let's get these screws out. It's very cheap the way it feels and can't be that expensive. To be fair, if I get this working, I can use this to monitor the cat, so he can't get up to any mischief when we're not here. Ah, he's gonna love that, isn't he? All right, so we've got a circuit board and we've got a connector for the motor. I'm guessing there is no battery then. Okay. Let's get this taken out. Let's get this little ribbon cable. Let's get this disconnected for the motor. Right, I won't take this apart any further. Let's just concentrate on getting this connector replaced and go from there. Let's could probably leave this on, couldn't I? And work on it like that way. But yeah, this is just a breakout board, isn't it, really, for power in. I'm guessing all the brains of the device is going to be inside of here. Right. I don't know if this will pick up on the camera. I'll probably get on the microscope as well. But yeah, the connector's not in the best shape. Let's just prove it doesn't work by getting the multimeter on it. So let's get this back out. Let's actually prove. Let's get this plugged in. Let's just lift it off the board, look. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not secure at all onto that PCB. Oh yeah, it's just, okay, that's just lifted off completely now. Luckily, it's not taking the pads off. But I can just, looks like I can break that solder on the ground. Well, there you go. Very poor job there. Let's take the trace off there, but that's not needed. Right, well that makes my job a little bit easier. So we don't have to take it off, we just got to put another one on. Right, that's going to be a microscope jobby, isn't it? Right, let's get some on the microscope and get that put on. So here's the board. We can see one of the pins is still on the board. Let's just clean this off quickly. Right, that's not looking too bad. I think that's ready to receive said port. Let's turn it off. I don't need that on. Fan, that's all. Right, this is always the fun part. Is grafting these on. Where are my tweezers? Oh, just dropped that. Nice one. Let's see if we get these legs in the slots first, and then we can take the board off and solder from underneath. Push that down. A little bit wonky. Let's just correct that. Push it down. So we're flush with the board now. Let's just sort this. So as you can see, that's all aligned. All right. Let's just quickly touch those pads with some solder and hopefully get this on. Alright, a bit of flux and getting that gap. Kind of. tiny gap actually to get the soldering iron in there. I might have to change the tips on my soldering iron actually, because this is going to be too big, isn't it? Yeah, too big. Right, let's change the tip. Alright, got my new tip on. Let's maybe go this way. Let's see if I can just tin the tip a little bit. And I can just go straight across. Let me hold this down as well whilst holding the iron. Alright, let's get it clean, see what we're playing around with. This little brush. Little spray, feel clean. Well, it looks intact at least. Can let's get down here. Let's just check for movement of the pins. Solid, solid, solid. That one's loose. Right, so that second one in from the left needs a little touch up. Let's see if we can sort it out. A bit of solder on there as well. Bit of flux. Right. Is that in place now? Capacitor's in the way, to be honest. Right, that's on. Right, we're all solid. Let's give it a clean again. Recheck. Right, let's just touch them again. It's fine, fine. Right, I need to get the board off now and just touch on underneath where those two sort of anchor points are to hold it in place. Let's get this board off quickly. I'm going to be very lazy and not even use a solder mat. Can't bothered. Right, just fill these in with lots of solder on these legs. Bit of flux. I'll turn my iron all the way up. Alright, here we go. There we go, that's on. Looks okay, doesn't it? Let's put it back together and see if it chooches. Let's connect this back up. Oh, that's just come off. We'll forget about that. This cable looks fun. Not a great deal of length on there. Go. I think that's in. Push the tabs down on the connector. Holds in place, and then this little JST connector. Right. Let's plug her in. Should put this in as well. Might help, mightn't it? This way around. That just slots in, doesn't it? He says. Do it the wrong way. Idiot. Alright. Okay. Let's see if it accepts voltage. Oh, we have a light inside, so we're drawing 0.07 amps, 89 amps. Okay. Oh, heard a sound. We've gone up to 0.2 amps now. Got a green light. Is that flashing then? Yeah, I've got a green flashing light. I suppose I need the app for this now, don't I? Right, let me get this app sorted and see what we can do from there. Right, I thought I'd record this bit. I've reset it, it talks. I've now got to show it the QR code. Got to position the screen 20 centimeters from the device.
Start connect.
Heard a prompt tone. Connecting device.
Connect success.
Ooh, connect success. Love to hear it. Great stuff. Done. One device added successfully. Oh, it's moving. Oh, hello. It's become sentient. Has it reached its end stop? Is it doing calibration? No idea what it's doing. Right, done. Okay. That's on camera there. Can I control it? Oh, it's moving again. Oh, bloody hell. Right, don't get a picture of me. Not me. Hello, viewers. Okay. Motion detected. Yeah, that's me, you donut. Should we record something? Who's else? Christopher access. Yeah. Oh, screenshot. Okay. Hold to talk. Oh, this is going to echo, isn't it? Ooh. Turn it off. Record. We're recording. Okay. Let's stop that. Video's been saved to album, so we'll see that in a minute. Can I move it? How do you move? Functions. Motion tracking. Does it just track motion? Can you not manually move it? Direction, here we go. Ooh, this is quite fun. Ooh, 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 ooh. Do it again. Oh, this is way too fun. I feel like a kid. Yep. Down. Well, folks. Quite happy with that. Huh. Lovely jubbly. Right, I might show you some footage in a minute. Let's get this in the house and set up. See if we can catch the cat out. Let's get this put together quickly. But it works. I'm very pleased with that. That is near enough a free Wi-Fi camera. I don't know how much these go for. Maybe I'll look that up when I'm editing the video to show you. And I'll let you know what I paid for it as well. I can't remember the top of my head right now, but yeah. Get the screws in. But nonetheless, that is another fix. Huzzah! I will take that. That's not a bad one to come back to after 6 months, 7 months of absence from doing videos. I'll take that one. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, just what we like.
Excuse me, mister. What are you doing? That's a tree.
Goodbye.